welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name's Marina. It would mean so much to me if you would hit that subscribe button and smash me a huge thumbs up. I post 2 beauty related videos every week, so that sounds like something that would interest you. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification while you're at it. Today's video I'm going to be using the new Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. I've already done a look on this. This is my second look. I've used the greens. This palette is insane. It just blends like an absolute dream. It was really affordable as well, but I explain more about it in my other video. Without further ado, let's jump in and I'll show you how I created this gorgeous green look. So let's fill in those brows. We're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Eyebrow Pomade just to fill in and add a little bit of shape. And then using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just to carve around them. This is going to make them just look a lot cleaner because they are very, very bushy at the moment. And then for foundation, we're using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I really wanted a nice full coverage foundation for this look. I have got another video explaining how I achieve a full coverage foundation, so I'll leave that linked down below. And then using that same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, we're using this under the eyes and down the centre of the face for more coverage. I'm going to be using a cream contour just to add a little bit more of definition to the face. This is the Makeup Revolution, the one contour stick in the shade Malibu. I'm not sure if they still do this, but I'm sure they have similar ones. Then using the NYX contour kit, I'm using the banana powder and the champagne highlighter to set underneath my eyes. Then I will be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop powder in the shade Medium Olive to set the rest of my face. Then I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Skin Finish in the shade Opalescent, as everything is very matte, so I just wanted to add a little bit more shimmer, shine, glow to the skin. Then I'm using the Coty Airspun Translucent Powder just to brighten underneath the eyes and down the centre of the face. And then using the contour powder from the NYX palette, I'm just going to use that just to define the face a little bit more. And then going in with that bronzer just to bronze everything up a little bit more. Taking Benefit Rockature Blusher and popping this on the apples of the cheeks. I am live streaming, which is why you can see my mouth moving. I'm using Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter on the high points of my face. Haven't used this highlighter in ages, but it's very pretty. And then using the L'Oreal Shake and Glow Setting Spray just for an extra glow as well. I'm using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade 2. You're going to make sure that you tap this into the skin really well until it turns matte. I'm taking the amazing Carnival palette and this absolutely gorgeous yellow shade here, and using a fluffy Morphe brush I am running this through my crease and on the outer corner of the eyelid as well, and just build this up until you are happy with the colour. I'm taking this beautiful grassy jungle green colour and packing this onto the outer corner of my eyelid and then slightly through the crease, but keeping this on the outer half of the eye. I've just switched to a more dense brush and it went on a lot more pigmented. So I'm just going back and forth building up those colours, and then I'm taking this lime green shade and popping that on the inner corner of the crease and blending that in to the yellow and the darker green shade, and just keep building up the colours until you're happy with the pigmentation. Taking a Barry M Holographic eyeshadow topper, this is a more green one, and I'm just popping this all over the lid and just slightly above the crease, as I have hooded lids so you still want to be able to see it when the eyes are open. It went a little bit patchy on my left eye for some reason. They don't normally do that, but it's fine. And then just topping up that dark jungle green shade just to make sure that everything is blended nicely. Taking Champagne Pop again and putting this on the inner corners of the eyelids. It's just going to brighten everything up. And then I'm taking this gorgeous shimmery lime green shade, and it works best on the finger. So I'm tapping this over the eyeshadow topper, and I think this has just made the look so amazing. It's such a pretty colour. Taking that yellow shade and running that underneath the lower lash line, and then I'm going to pop on some mascara, some lashes, and I've done my black eyeliner waterline. Then I'm taking the Revolution Roxy liquid lipstick, sorry. This is in the lightest shade out of the three. And then on top of this, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Colorish Plump and Shine lipstick. This is a coconut one. It is a gorgeous nude and it just goes on amazingly. So that's it for the makeup. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys.